Hi, I'm Karen. I'm from California and I'm 62 years old. Yes, well, a 59 VW Bug was my dad's car. He imported it, and we had 2 children in the family and my parents plus a dog, and we used to go camping in the car with the dog all the way back in that little storage area, and the 2 kids and all our gear. And so we made, all the gear went on the floor, and we had a bed on the floor in the back so we could tumble around. And we would go camping up in the mountains. And one time, after about a week of camping, we loaded up to get back in the car. We're all in the car, the kids, the dog, my parents, and my dad starts up the car, and a little mouse runs out of the heater vent because we'd had the car parked for a week, right? And my mom screams, "Ah!" And she opened the door and the mouse ran out. Happy birthday, Beetle. And we used to call them beetle bugs.